Alert, if you're watching this video, please share it with a friend. If you live in Pennsylvania, the surrounding tri-state, travel and work in our state, please be aware, if you have a custom car, you're into modified cars, be aware. They're trying to pass the Sleep Act. It's already been put in the Senate on the floor. There's already 2 Democrats already supporting this bill. It would ban all modified exhaust on all cars, ATVs, trucks, and bikes. The date on it will push any vehicle back to 1979 with a modified exhaust. That means no cutouts, no modified mufflers, no modified silencers on bikes and quads. Means nothing. You'll basically go in for state inspection. They'll say your exhaust is legal or it is a no. And then you have X amount of days to fix it. And you're also getting a $1,000 fine with it, with posing jail time for it. They're writing it up as not a moving violation, but same as violations of DUI is how they have it wrote. If you get pulled over. And then you have so many days to correct it. It's a crazy bill. Just be aware that they're trying to move this bill. And there's already getting quite a few Democrats wanting to support it. I don't see it going nowhere, but they might surely try to pass it. Bill like this passed in California. They might surely pass it here. I mean, there's a lot of cars here running around that are modified. There's a lot of custom cars. But they might say, nope, we had enough of it. So if you like your loud V8 or your bike, they cut pipes on it, you might surely find in that have to fetch out a little bit of money or a lot of money to have a new exhaust put on it. And how they have it wrote, it has to go back to factory. Remains you're putting your old one back on, or you're taking it to the dealer you bought it from and paying out some money for dealer work. And also it would ban all factory loud exhausts. Like your exhaust basically has sport modes where it opens up louder valves. That'll be no too. So you're talking a lot of crackdown. Just be aware, this is a red alert to the aftermarket performance community, to please stand up and tell them we've had enough. As worse is, they were trying to pass their whole EV push, but now since they can't quite get that push, they're just reaching in for a little bit more. That's something else they can try to get. Someone racing, I know you're nowhere in Ohio. Please hear this. Please share this with Sema and anybody else. And please stand up for this. I don't know how many people from Ohio in car shows come across in the PA and back and forth. The copy of the bill. I'm going to go ahead and show it to you guys and let you see it really quick.